Hey, welcome back to ApexConnect, the home of raw, unfiltered F1 insight. It's your host, Dwayne, and now today, we'll be diving deep into Aston Martin's massive transformation ahead of their 2026 Formula One season. And no, this is not some simple car rebranding or a new car launch. This is an actual evolution happening right before our eyes. I mean, Adrian Newey has now been officially onboarded to the team. Honda is their exclusive engine partner as of 2026, and the team has built a new facility ready to be utilized. And by the end of this episode, I will be giving my prediction as to where the team might be ending up by 2026. So without further ado, let's get right to it. First up, the biggest chess move of the year. Adrian Newey has joined Aston Martin. This guy isn't just a ordinary F1 designer, he's the guy. 13 constructor championships, Williams, McLaren, Red Bull. This is the most brilliant aero mind in Formula One history. I mean, now he's officially part of the Aston Martin team as managing technical partner. And get this, his starting salary is £30 million a year. £30 million? Yo, he's worth every penny. But according to CEO Andy Cowell, Newey has already deep dived into the chassis development program. He's thinking about suspension geometry, cooling packages, and the whole monocoque setup. Newey thrives in regulatory changes, and 2026, that's a brand new clean canvas for him to work on. Think of it as Picasso working on a new masterpiece. This is what Newey's doing at this moment. Now, let's talk engines because Aston Martin is finally going factory. Starting in 2026, they'll ditch Mercedes power units and become Honda's exclusive works team. That's massive. Honda has quietly stayed relevant since their official F1 exit back in 2021. They powered Red Bull to multiple race wins and multiple championship after championship for 4 years consecutively. And now, they're back in full force with Aston Martin. Cowell said the collaboration is already rolling, hardware testing has begun in Sakura and Silverstone, daily technical meetings have commenced, and chassis and engine are being designed as one unit together. The 2026 power unit will be a 50-50 split between electric and internal combustion engine components. The MGUK energy recovery is triple the size as compared to the previous year's MGUK units. This will be 100% sustainable fuels in the engine as of 2026, and all that tech has to fit into with aero, weight balance, and cooling. Integration will be key, and if anyone could get it right, it will be Honda, Newey, and Cowell trio all mixed together. A winning team needs more than just engine upgrades and brain power. They need infrastructure, and Aston Martin's bringing that big time. Aston Martin just recently completed their new Silverstone headquarters, and it looks mega amazing. State-of-the-art wind tunnels, upgraded simulation tools, a fresh organizational structure built for a works team. And now Andy Cowell, who helped Mercedes dominate the hybrid era, is both CEO and team principal. That's huge. Then you've got the commercial side, such as Aramco, who remains the title sponsor for the team and help with fuel innovation for the new season. Valvoline will be continuing as their new official lubricant sponsor, as well as new deals secured by Coinbase, Pepperstone, LMEs, and Meden. Add the Newey and Honda hype, and suddenly, Aston Martin looks real. This isn't just a Lawrence Stroll vanity project, no. This is a fully armed F1 factory team with the tech, budget, and leadership to win races and championships. Okay, now let's pump the brakes and talk about challenges because this many changes, this quick, yeah, there's going to be challenges. First one I want to talk about will be simulator correlation. Newey himself said that the current simulators at Aston Martin are nowhere near the level at Red Bull or Mercedes. That's going to take a lot of time to develop and actually improve as the season goes by, so we do have to look out for that. Secondly, we'll be integrating a brand new power unit under brand new technical regulations. That is a walking minefield. I mean, if your cooling layout or battery deployment is off by a small margin, performance tanks, reliability sinks. Third, the competition is still fierce. Currently, Mercedes is rebuilding their entire team, Ferrari is spending left and right, McLaren is rising and developing their chassis even further, and Red Bull is still Red Bull. They're still a dominant force to be reckoned with. 2026 won't be easy, no matter how talented your team truly is. Alright, so here's a big question. How good can Aston Martin be in 2026? My honest opinion, they're not going to win. There's no way in hell they're winning that championship next year. However, by mid-season, they will be securing a few podium finishes, and by the end of the year, I guarantee you they might be fighting for 4th place in the Constructors' battle. If the Newey, Cowell, and Honda partnership does merge and do wonders, and if Fernando Alonso and Lance Stroll are able to stay within the mix compared to the top teams, I guarantee you they could probably collect a 1-2 race wins. But hey, this is a very tight rope. No guarantees, just huge potential. And honestly, that is the beauty of Formula One. So what are your thoughts? Do you believe next year Aston Martin has what it takes to be a top contender on the grid with the Newey Honda Power Pack mixed together? Let me know your thoughts down below. And if you love this episode, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. And until next time, take care and drive on.